latest that we are tracking where the parliament comes into question. Today, finally, after whether they will or not, you had opposition uniting together, devoid of the TMC. TMC wasn't part of it, and moving a motion against the sitting speaker, a no confidence motion where the sitting speaker is concerned. And interesting, because now it seems it will be the first week of March where it will be come up for discussion. Has the motion been accepted? We're going to try and get in the latest details coming in on that. But interimly, till the time this comes to fruition, the speaker has decided he will not sit on proceedings. Here's more.
The opposition turns up the heat against Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, submitting a notice to move a no-confidence motion against him. Backed by 118 MPs, the notice accuses the chair of bias and partisanship, alleging denial of speaking time, selective action and sweeping suspensions. Opposition's main charge is Speaker not letting Rahul Gandhi complete his speech on the motion of thanks to the President's address.
उस संसद में अगर आप अपने विचार प्रकट करने के लिए रोकोगे, वो भी किसको? विपक्ष के प्रतिपक्ष के नेता को ही रोका जाता है, तो बाकी बात कहाँ रही? ये तो जनतंत्र के मूल पर ही तो आप ठेस लगा रहे यार। ये कोई बड़ी खुशी की बात नहीं है उनके खिलाफ लाना, लेकिन उनकी जो कारोबार जिस ढंग से चल रहा है उसके लिए लाया गया है।
From the memoirs,
Rahul Gandhi has not signed the notice. The Congress claimed the leader of the opposition backing a motion against the speaker would breach parliamentary convention. There are cracks within the opposition. The Trinamool Congress has stayed away from the no-confidence motion. The notice itself seemed to have been drafted in a hurry. The first notice carried a factual error, mentioning 2025 instead of 2026. A revised notice was submitted soon after. The move for no trust motion follows consultations within the India bloc, where leaders flagged BJP MP Nishikant Dubey's speech, quoting books inside house and the speaker's controversial claim suggesting women MPs from Congress posed a threat to the Prime Minister on February 4th. Amid mounting accusations, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju released fresh footage of the February 4 chaos, claiming these images reveal the security threats.
हम लोग बैठे हुए थे, देखे कैसे वो आगे बढ़ी, कैसे प्रधानमंत्री की कुर्सी जो आगे मैं वहां घेर करके खड़ी थी, तो स्पीकर ने बिल्कुल सही निर्णय किया कि जो उन्होंने मना किया आप नहीं आए। राहुल गांधी जैसे अपनी पार्टी को चलाना हो चलाएं, डुबाएं, लेकिन संसद नियमों से चलेगा, कानून से चलेगा।
बैठे थे उनके ऊपर।
The opposition dismisses the charges as deliberate diversion.
उन्होंने देखा नहीं क्या? आप लोगों ने वीडियो डाले हमारे, तो क्या उन्होंने वीडियो नहीं देखे थे उस वक्त? और किस तरह से हमें बेबुनियाद हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगाए जा रहे हैं, मनगढ़ंत कहानियां बताई जा रही है। हम थोड़ी किसी को मारने गए थे, हम तो एक बैनर लेके गए थे। अब बैनर से डर गए, आप एक किताब लेने से डर गए, आपको टैरिफ के ऊपर बात नहीं करनी है, एप्सिन के ऊपर बात करने से आप डर कतराते हो, ये तो सच सच बोलिए।
Parliamentary Affairs Minister, why he wants to prove Honorable Speaker wrong? Whatever the Honorable Speaker says, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister wants to prove that the Honorable Speaker is wrong. This is first time it is happening. We are very much pained that the leader of opposition is not allowed to speak by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister. He forces the Honorable Speaker to deny the right of the opposition to speak.
As things stand, a no-trust motion, even if admitted, is bound to fall as the NDA government has the numbers. The move by the opposition, however, is to embarrass the speaker, as no-confidence motions against the chair are a rare occurrence. Bureau Report, India Today.